Hey guys, how's it going? How to reverse a short on YouTube. So first of all, you're gonna click on the shorts and you're gonna select the short that you want to actually, basically reverse. So I'm gonna click this short for example, and I'm gonna just copy the link or share the link as if I'm sharing the link to social media. But before I do that, I'm gonna just copy the link. Afterwards, you can just go back to your screen, then go ahead to your browser, and then you're gonna search for yt5s.io. Again, 5t, yt5s.io. Okay, basically this website will appear to you, and then just paste the link that you just copied and download it to your device. Next, you're gonna just go ahead to the reverse video online, and then you're gonna be able to upload your video, forward it, and then you're gonna be able to reverse it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.